Regional connectivity is an important element of our discussions with Afghan leadership and our way forward of our economic interaction with Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan have 2,600 kilometer long border, and this important project, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project, which is a flagship project of Belt and Road Initiative, provides good opportunities, good potential for providing infrastructure and energy connectivity between Afghanistan and Pakistan, and not only just between Pakistan and Afghanistan, but also connecting South Asia to the Central Asian region. The issues of formal recognition will come later. Pakistan is part of the international community. Pakistan is also engaged with Afghanistan's neighbors and other important regional countries. So I think this issue of a formal recognition will come at a later stage. Our engagement with Afghanistan in the past few weeks and in the coming days and weeks is focused on humanitarian engagement and economic engagement and strengthening of our efforts or our contribution for strengthening peace and stability in Afghanistan.